say it's too late to start something new after 60. I say those people are wrong. There are thousands of people over 50 who are suffering through retirement. No freedom, no safety net, no plan B. They feel left behind by a world that's gone online. Without them, they didn't grow up with social media. But I tell you something, I had to learn it fast in order to make an income, without ever posting selfies or going viral. My program gave me structure, skills, and a real business model. And now I earn from home, with no staff, no inventory, and no tech stress. This is not a side hustle. It's a digital income system that puts you right back on track. You've got life experience, people skills, and grit. And that's your advantage. Let's turn that income into cash flow and your comeback story. If you would like further information, put ready in the comments and I'll send you my 6-figure blueprint with everything you need to know about digital marketing.